3M Aqua-Pure under-sink filtration systems are easy to install. First, drill a hole in the countertop if necessary, or use an existing hole and install the dedicated faucet. Consult installation manual for detailed instructions. Next, turn off the cold water supply using the valve located beneath the sink. Open the cold water faucet to release the pressure. An adapter fitting comes with your system. Install that adapter to the water line, connecting that valve and faucet. Mark holes on undersink wall where you want to install your system, allowing at least 2 inches of clear space under the filter to help with filter change. Mount the system using the supplied screws. Install the included filter cartridges aligning filter 1 and filter 2 with corresponding labels. Turn clockwise with a 1/4 inch turn until a clicking sound is heard. Connect yellow tubing from the push-in fitting on the water inlet adapter to the push-in fitting on the left side of the bracket assembly. Connect the blue tubing from the base of the faucet to the push-in fitting attached to the base of the shutoff meter. Turn the water back on, check for leaks, and replace the system cover. Let the water run for 5 gallons or approximately 10 minutes. Residual air may cause temporary cloudiness in water.